Alright folks, I'm back with another beautiful 2008 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor street appearance package with 95,000 miles and only 374 idle hours. Former detective unit from the city of San Jose, California. This is a California unit, so it doesn't have any rust on her whatsoever. Original black from factory. Vehicle does have scratches and it does have some door dings, as suspected on any former government unit vehicle. Folks, you're gonna want to stay with me on this one. I did invest quite a decent amount of money on this vehicle when I first purchased her. The department made it clear that there were some mechanical issues with the vehicle. However, they didn't specify what it was or what it could be. So with that being said, I did walk into a surprise. So I gambled, I rolled the dice, and bam, I took it. But don't worry folks, I took it like a champ, and I took care of everything that the vehicle needed. So once again, you're gonna want to stay tuned with me on this one. Tinted windows from the department. That appears to be like a 20% all around. Not too dark, not too light. You can see right through the vehicle. Once again, original black from factory folks. The vehicle does have scratches, does have door dings. She is not perfect, and no, I did not have this vehicle repainted. Otherwise, we'll be having a different conversation. No holes on the body whatsoever. Okay, no holes on the body whatsoever. The vehicle has been completely serviced, detailed, repair, fixed, you name it, she got it. So she is 110% ready to go folks, and she is in immaculate running conditions. And even though she does have scratches, she does look very sharp, very shiny. Okay, this is gonna be a flex fuel E85 okay. I do have some scuff marks on the rear bumper right here. They're right there folks. Some tiny scratches there, and I think that's about it. Once again folks, cosmetically the vehicle is not perfect. This vehicle was not repainted. This is the original paint. Okay, vehicle does have scratches, not a lot, but it's got a few, and it's got some door dings. All four steel wheels have been reconditioned and repainted, so they are back to new condition. They're nice and black and glossy. The vehicle did come with a nice set of 235 5517, thankfully, courtesy of San Jose, the city of San Jose. So no tires were needed on this one. Let me get closer here folks, so you guys can see the scratches here. All right, right there. They are here. Okay, once again, it does have scratches folks. If you can see past the scratches, you got yourself a great running vehicle. Anyway, the vehicle did have mechanical issues, so I decided to put the money into the powertrain instead of the cosmetic. Okay, I can only give you one, I can give you both. I am sorry, and I do apologize for that folks. I do have a brand new front end. The front bumper has been reconditioned and repainted. Upon arrival, the vehicle had a the front bumper was damaged. I didn't like it, so I had that repainted. So the front bumper has been repainted. Along with that, I gave you new corner lights. I gave you new headlamp assembly. Everything is by Ford. All right, this is gonna be original equipment by Ford. So yes, you are hearing this correct. New side markers, new headlamps assembly, new light bulbs by Ford. Original equipment. The ones that came with the vehicle, they were yellow, oxidated. The side markers were cracked, so I'm not gonna do that to you. So I went ahead and replaced that, and lucky for me, I do have those type of parts in my inventory. Front grille is bubbling right here. Front grille is bubbling. You can kind of see it. There you go. I don't like the way that looks, so I went on eBay and I ordered one, so I'm gonna replace it. Okay, don't worry about the grill. The grill is gonna be replaced. Nice set of Goodyear Eagles RSA's. Oh, let me stop right here folks. I also do have some stains in the paint. These are from bird drops. You know what happens when you leave a bird drop on the paint, it's gonna penetrate it and it's gonna stain it. So I do have some there. Some scratches right here as usual when they're coming in and out of the car with their gear. You can see that right there. All right, The roof also does have some stains, folks. The roof also does have some burr stains, burr drop stains. All right, let's go inside real quick. I have 12 minutes and I do have a lot of ground to cover. Once again, E85, unit 4692, right there. Sorry, guys. 4692. All right, folks, as you can see, I do have a nice matching interior. All seat belts and buckles are in place. Carpeting floor with matching floor mats. Yes, all 4 floor mats are in place. They are the factory floor mats that the vehicle came with when they rolled out of the factory. Rear door locks, rear doors are fully serviceable. I mean, are done up. I'm sorry, I have neighbors coming in, so I lost my train of thought. Rear doors are fully operational from inside and out of the car, so if you have passengers, they will be able to exit the vehicle with no problem from inside of the car. This is gonna be a Charlie 6 rear axle differential. Once again, Charlie 6 rear axle differential. I do have a working cruise control. I'm always in the way. It's about that time when my neighbors should start coming in. Honk does work. Driver's side seat is in perfect shape, so is the passenger side seat. Vehicle came with one independent key. Sorry guys, I got my neighbors coming in and that's all it takes for them to throw me out of my tracks. Yes, I'm that easy. I know, I'm very easy. All right, folks, this is the dashboard. It looks very nice. I do have one hole here, possibly from a switch for the equipment. Vehicle did came with a Kingwood head unit. It's got AM, FM, CD player, auxiliary connection, USB, you name it, and I believe it also has Bluetooth. That's the mic right there. Okay, let's go ahead and fire her up. Cruise control does work. The texture on the steering wheel is actually very nice. All right, guys, 95,000 miles. The dash has been reset to 0 miles. 374 idle hours. Before I forget, folks, the odometer cluster on this particular 2008 was removed and sent out to get rebuilt. Why did I do that? Because the mileage were dimming in and out, on and off. You had to kind of slap it on the top for them to work, or it just came out on its own. So I know what the fault is, and I did have it sent out to get properly rebuilt so that we don't have that issue anymore. So the mileage are completely readable. Okay, stereo
with City Cruises by Horn
does work.
Everything is better on the water.
Stereo does work. Okay, air conditioner does work. Ashtray all done. Everything's here. Am I forgetting anything? I hope not. Let's get to the trunk and then let's go to the hood so that I can tell you guys everything that was done on this bad boy. And I don't have 8 minutes, so I gotta hurry up. Sorry, let me clean this up. The trunk, full matching spare tire, floor down, floor jack, hold down pen in place. All right, hold down pen in place. There you go. So you do have a full matching spare tire, folks. I'm sorry if I start stuttering, but this is when I need to step it up. I get all nervous here. All right, folks, let me hurry up here, starting right to left. And this is everything that I'm about to say was done to this vehicle, and everything that you hear that I say that I did was replaced. It's got a new air filter, throttle body was serviced and cleaned out. I do have a new Motorcraft Platinum spark plugs on this vehicle, full synthetic 520 oil service, transmission service was done as well, Motorcraft, fluid and filter. Air conditioner, folks, air conditioner was recharged, so you do have a new charge with a new orifice tube down there. New battery, new alternator, new drive belt, new tensioner, new pulley. Before I forget, If I get in between the, this is the header panel, it's nice and straight, folks. Please bear with me, I'm trying to hurry up and try to get everything knocked out. Header panel is nice and straight. I did get in between the radiator and the condenser and cleaned out all the dust bunnies out of this place. I got a good reason why I do that. So every Crown Victoria that comes here, I go through there and I get all those dust bunnies out of there. Don't worry, I do have the cover that goes in the radiator, and I do have the fasteners that hold down the radiator cover on the top side. Okay. Coolant was topped off. Rear differential was topped off. 75 140 gear oil. It also does have a brand new fuel filter. Okay, brakes were around 80%, courtesy of the city of San Jose. Thankfully, I didn't have to replace that. Water pump, it appears to have been replaced already by the department, and so does the radiator fan shroud. Okay, this has already been replaced by the department. Am I forgetting anything else? I don't think so, folks. I do not think so. So the vehicle did have a few issues, and I went ahead and I gave all the money that I invested in the vehicle, I put it into the powertrain. So once again, that's what I decided to do. And I had my detail crew come in and kind of buff the vehicle out, kind of color sand it so they can, and they did get rid of most of the scratches on the vehicle. If I do forget something, guys, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna note that down on my eBay ad. But for the most part, folks, I'm giving you a mechanically perfect running vehicle. Everything was done, folks. Everything. Folks, this is the Crown Victoria guy signing off. You guys have a blessed week out there. Please be safe. God bless and take care.